high-end gaming PC build 2024. Welcome back, gamers, to another exciting episode of Eratechx. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of high-end gaming PC builds for 2024. If you're ready to elevate your gaming experience to new heights, you've come to the right place. Before we delve into our top picks, don't forget to check the links in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of these gaming beasts. Let's dive in. 5. Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. Introducing the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, a gaming powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. With its sleek and modern design, the Legion Tower 5i commands attention while delivering exceptional performance. Equipped with the latest hardware, including high-speed processors and top-of-the-line graphics cards, this PC ensures smooth gameplay and seamless multitasking. The Legion Tower 5i also features advanced cooling technology to keep temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. Whether you're diving into the latest AI titles or exploring virtual worlds, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is ready to take on any challenge. Unlock the full potential of your gaming rig with the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. 4. HP Victus 15L. Introducing the HP Victus 15L, a versatile gaming powerhouse designed to exceed expectations. Combining sleek aesthetics with robust performance, the Victus 15L is engineered to deliver an immersive gaming experience like no other. Equipped with cutting-edge hardware, including high-performance processors and graphics cards, this PC ensures smooth gameplay and lightning-fast responsiveness. Its compact design makes it ideal for both desktop setups and on-the-go gaming sessions. Whether you're diving into the latest AI titles or tackling demanding workloads, the HP Victus 15L rises to the challenge with ease. Experience gaming excellence redefined with the HP Victus 15L. 3. Alienware Aurora R16. Introducing the Alienware Aurora R16, a true embodiment of gaming excellence. Crafted with precision and passion, the Aurora R16 stands as a testament to Alienware's commitment to pushing the boundaries of gaming technology. With its iconic design and unparalleled performance, this powerhouse PC commands attention from gamers and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the Aurora R16 boasts cutting-edge hardware, including the latest processors and graphics cards, ensuring smooth and immersive gaming experiences. Its advanced cooling system ensures optimal performance even during intense gaming sessions, while customizable lighting effects add a touch of personalization to your setup. From AI titles to sports competitions, the Alienware Aurora R16 rises to any challenge, delivering uncompromising performance and breathtaking visuals. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a newcomer to the world of PC gaming, the Aurora R16 is ready to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. 2. ASUS ROG G22CH. Introducing the ASUS ROG G22CH, a gaming marvel designed to push the boundaries of performance and style. Engineered with precision and passion, this powerhouse combines cutting-edge technology with striking aesthetics to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience. The ROG G22CH is equipped with top-of-the-line components, ensuring smooth gameplay and seamless multitasking. Its sleek design, enhanced cooling system, and customizable lighting effects make it a standout addition to any gaming setup. Whether you're diving into intense gaming sessions or tackling demanding creative tasks, the ASUS ROG G22CH rises to the occasion with unmatched power and versatility. Dominate the competition and unleash your full gaming potential with the ASUS ROG G22CH. 1. Maingear MG1. Introducing the Maingear MG1, a pinnacle of gaming excellence in 2024. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the MG1 stands as a symbol of innovation and performance. Powered by cutting-edge components and boasting unrivaled customization options, this gaming powerhouse is designed to push the boundaries of what's possible in gaming. Whether you're immersing yourself in the latest AI titles or tackling intense multitasking, the MG1 delivers unparalleled speed and reliability. with its sleek aesthetics and robust build quality, it's not just a PC, it's a statement. Elevate your gaming experience to new heights with the Maingear MG1, the ultimate choice for discerning gamers. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 high-end gaming PC builds of 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the links in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of these gaming beasts. Until next time, happy gaming!